How to save projects and work in cloud on VEED. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, open the project you want to work on or create a new project by clicking the Create button. Upload your video and complete your edits including text, subtitles, audio, and effect. The best part about VEED is that it automatically saves your project in the cloud while you work. That means you never have to worry about losing progress. All your changes are stored securely online in real time. You can access your saved projects anytime from the recent videos section on your VEED dashboard. From there, you can open, rename, duplicate or continue editing any of your previous project. If you want to stay organized, you can also create folders to group similar videos or team projects together. This helps keep your workspace clean and makes it easier to manage multiple edits at once. Since your work is stored in the cloud, you can easily switch devices, collaborate with others, or continue editing anytime, anywhere, without missing a thing. This makes VEED perfect for team project, long-form content, or creators who want to edit videos from anywhere without manual savings. Now you know how to save projects and work in the cloud on VEED. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.